everyone, my name is Lisa and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a dramatic play activity using dolls, which we would like to thank Aubrey and Tilly for suggesting. There are many ways the children can encourage in doll play, including feeding, bathing, dressing them and putting them to sleep. Dramatic play or pretend play is a fun way to enhance many skills, such as language skills, role-playing, social skills, and teaches children about real-life experiences. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.